today we are talking about animals again, but we are going over habitats and food chains. Okay, so first of all, what are the different classifications of animals that we learned? Let's see hands. Hands up. Yes, Kaki, give me some.
Reptile.
Reptile. Excellent job, Kaki. Let's get Noob. Can you give me?
Fish.
Fish. Great job. Thank you, Noob. Kwang Hai.
Fish.
Have another one?
Amphibians. Amphibians.
Thank you. Amphibians. Let's have another one.
Snake.
Snake. Good. What kind of animal is a snake? What group?
Reptile.
Reptile. Excellent job. I think we still have one or two more. Mia, do you have another one?
Tiếp, nhóm gì nữa?
Amphibian.
Amphibian.
Good. Amphibians one. What about Vicky? Do you know another one, Vicky?
Mammal.
Mammal. Thank you. And we have one more. I see.
Bird.
Bird. Thank you. All of them. We have birds, reptiles, mammals, amphibians, fish. Oh, and we forgot insects. Okay, let's go on to your homework. Let's look at your practice quiz and then your life cycles and see who did the best. Great job to Min Huang. Excellent job. You got 100% on your first try. That's amazing. Very impressed. Nancy, excellent job. We have Van Chi and Simon in the top 5. Mia, number 6. Nuna, excellent job. Teddy raising your hand. Go ahead. Good job, guys. Let's go through some of the questions. So, let's say the answers all together after I read the question. Ready? So study the animals shown below, right here. What is the common characteristic shared by the animals shown above? Good job, Simon. Simon said they have wings, okay? Everyone, let's say the next answer together. Thank you, Simon. Which of the following is the similarity between amphibians and mammals? So, number 1, letter D. Both amphibians and mammals can breathe through lungs, right? When amphibians are born, when they're born in the water, what do they breathe with? Hands up. When amphibians are born in the water, what do they breathe with? Let's have Kaki.
Can you say again?
Yes, what do amphibians breathe with when they are born?
They breathe with air.
With air, yes. Are amphibians born in the water or on land?
Water. Water and
Excellent.
land.
So do they use
Water.
lungs or gills to breathe?
Gills.
Gills, thank you. So once they grow up, when they go through metamorphosis and become adults, what do they use to breathe? Let me see hands. Let's have Kwang Hai. What?
Inland.
Land.
On land.
Excellent, they live on land. So what do they use to breathe?
Lungs.
Lungs, excellent. So amphibians and mammals can breathe through lungs in one stage of their life, right? Amphibians only use their lungs when they're adults, all right, number 3. Sandra was given an unknown animal A as shown below. Sandra said that animal A is a reptile. Based on the diagram above, Explain why she's wrong. I'm just going to call on one student for this to show me why animal A, this one. Dami, why is animal A not a reptile?
Because reptile don't have any gills.
Excellent. So what animal is animal A, Dami?
It's a fish.
A fish. Great job. Excellent work. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, so on this chart, which of the following best represents X and Y? In X, we have snake, tortoise, and guppy. In Y, we have bat, platypus, and lion. Nancy, do you know?
My opinion, I think it's C.
Yeah, right? Because snake, tortoise, and guppy. Snake and tortoise are reptiles, but guppy is actually a fish. So they're all covered in scales. And then Y are mammals, which means they are covered in hair. But X has reptiles and a fish. All right. Let's do number 5. Let's say this answer all together. So in the same classification chart, which of the following animals could be classified in group X? Great job, it's C. It's C. Can someone tell me which one?
Lizard.
Lizard.
One is actually correct. It's lizard, right? Because it has scales. It's a reptile or a fish. Okay? Let's see number 6. The stages an animal goes through from birth to death. This one's easy. Everyone say it.
Life cycle.
Yes, life cycle. Excellent job. The next one. What is the purpose of the reproduction stage? Let's see hands.
Take care of young animals.
Not quite, Teddy. So reproduction is when a mom and dad make more babies. So reproduction is to make more animals, letter C. Okay, let's try number 8. In what stage do animals develop the most and learn to find food, water, and shelter? Go ahead. Yes. Thank you. Childhood and young, right? This is the, everyone say it. Juvenile stage. This is when they are juveniles, before they become adults. Number 9, a complete change in physical form, structure, or substance is called, everyone say it together.
Metamorphosis.
Great job, metamorphosis. And the last question, a blank is fully grown. Everyone say it.
Adult.
Thank you. An adult is fully grown. Okay, and your other homework was to make a food chain. This is Nuna's food chain. Nuna, can you tell us a little bit about your food?
And the eggs hatch
Mm-hmm.
into larvae and they turn into little tadpoles. And they turn into big tadpoles. Then they to an adult fish.
Good. So the larva, the little fish,
An adult fish lay eggs.
to little fish, right? And then juvenile fish, and then an adult fish. Great job, Nuna. Thank you. Okay, let's go on to our PowerPoint. Let's learn about food and habitats for today. So everyone open your chat. Everyone open your chat and type, what are some food for animals you can think of? Some animals eat flowers. Who can send me more foods? Fish, excellent, Mia. Algae, great answer, Michael. Seaweed, yes. Eggs, Suri, yes. Snakes love to eat eggs. Yes. Fred, some animals eat deers. Yeah. Fred, can you tell me what animals might eat a deer?
Leopard.
Leopards, right? Leopards might chase an antelope or a deer. Great job. Nuna, fish. Yes. Simon, chicken. Excellent job. Water buffalo. Ooh, they'd have to be really big to kill a water buffalo. Maybe a lion. Kui, you had a great one. Kui, what animal might eat insects?
I forgot it already.
That's okay. Good. We have crabs, plants, grass, leaves, milk, other animals. Suri, Komodo dragon eats water buffalo. Wow, that's incredible. Komodo dragons can smell blood. Once they've smelled an animal's blood, they can keep a hold of it for miles. They can follow them for kilometers. Okay, so like you guys said, plants, insects, dead animals, fish, reptile, other animals, so many more. Great job. All right, can someone raise their hand and tell me, what do herbivores eat? Let's have Bo. What do herbivores eat?
I don't know.
That's okay. Can someone help? What about Michael?
Herbivores eat plants.
Excellent job. Herbivores eat plants. And what about carnivores? What do carnivores eat? Nina, what do carnivores eat?
Meat.
Meat. Thank you. Carnivores eat meat or other animals. And what do omnivores eat? Vicky?
Carnivores eat animal.
Animals, yes. They also eat something else. What else do they eat? Animals and Kwanghai?
Small animals.
Animals and what else? Yeah, small animals. Anyone else know? Kitty, what do omnivores eat?
Plants.
Excellent, right? They also eat plants and animals. Okay. Everyone, open your chat and tell me, what are some habitats you can think of? Desert, thank you, yes. What other habitats? Cave, Dami, great one. Bats live in caves. House, I guess that's where humans live. Humans are animals. Rainforests, Michael, great one. Nuna, pond. Simon, hives. Yes, some bugs, some insects live in hives. We get a couple more. Island, savanna, yes. Great answers. Forest from Kui, excellent job. All right, we have tons. We have so many, right? We have water, land, ocean, forest, savanna, so many more. Great job, guys. All right, habitat and diet of birds. Where can birds live? Good, I saw Dami was one of the first ones to type it. Can you say it out loud, Dami?
Birds live in a nest.
Excellent, in a nest. They live in a nest in the top of a tree, in the bottom of a tree. Some birds live on the ground like penguins. Penguins can't fly. Good, I see trees, rainforest. Good, wetlands, aquatic. Yeah, some birds live on the water. So many. They can live so many different places. All right, what about this question? What do you think birds can eat? Everyone message. Worms, I see worms, yes. Fred, Simon, worms, good. Nina, can you tell me, what do birds eat?
Seed.
That's another great one, excellent job. Suri, can you also tell me, what do you think birds eat? So we see birds live in nests. They eat insects, seeds, and berries, so they eat plants and animals. That makes them an omnivore. Can someone tell me, what do insects eat? Teddy.
Insects sometimes eat other insects or plants.
Excellent. Insects eat other insects. They eat plants, right, like leaves. Some insects drink blood, like mosquitoes, right? Mosquitoes. Excellent job. All right, what about mammals? Mammals can live so many different places, right? So many different places. Look at this. There are whales that live in the water, dolphins that live in the water. There are giraffes that live in the savanna. There are bunnies and rabbits that can live in snow, in the tundra where it's cold. And that means they eat so many different things. But can someone tell me, what does a bear eat? Mia, what does a bear eat?
Fish.
Fish. Thank you. Bears eat fish. Can someone tell me, what does a fish eat? Dami?
A fish eats seaweed.
Seaweed. Good. What else can a fish eat? Lehan?
The fish eat the small things.
Yeah. What the small things, like maybe like like fish can eat insects, right? That maybe fish eat insects on the surface. They eat seaweed. Maybe they eat other fish. Good. I see Fred said fish eat each other. Great answer, Fred. Bears also eat berries, right? So that makes it what? If bears eat berries and fish and maybe small animals, then what? Is it a carnivore, an omnivore, or a herbivore? Fred, is it a carnivore, omnivore, or herbivore?
I don't know.
You don't know? That's okay. Leo, do you know? Is it a carnivore, an omnivore, or a herbivore? If it eats fish, animals, and berries, plants?
Omnivore.
Good, it's an omnivore. Excellent job, Leo. Omnivore. Reptiles, lots of different things. They eat insects, they eat small animals, they eat plants, right? We have snakes that eat animals, turtles eat plants, all right? So the only place they can't live is the Arctic because they're cold-blooded. The Arctic is too cold, but it eats insects mostly. What other group of animals eats insects? What other group of animals eats insects, Jenny? Spiders? Spiders do eat insects. You're right. Insects eat insects. Great answer, Jenny. What other group of animals? Min Huang?
Reptile.
Good. Yeah, reptiles. Excellent job, Min Huang. Reptiles also eat insects, right? So do fish. Quickly tell me, what is a food chain? Michael, what is a food chain?
A food chain is a kind of circle which animals eat each other and starts from a living thing.
Excellent job, right? It starts from plants. Animals eat plants, and then animal eats that animal, right? So let's take a look at this food chain. Thank you, Michael. Here, a frog, or a caterpillar, an insect eats a plant. Then the frog eats the insect. The snake eats the frog, and then the owl eats the snake. This is an example of a food chain. We're going to play this game to practice, but let me tell you your homework first while we're on this page. Okay, your homework is going to be to make a video about the animal you wrote your life cycle on. So if you made your life cycle about a bear, then your video is going to be about a bear. Okay, so the life cycle of the bear, the characteristics of the bear, the habitat and the diet. Show your life cycle in your video. That's how I'll know you did your homework yesterday. Show your life cycle in the video, and feel free to draw your animal and its habitat to help you explain. Let's play a game. So open your chat. I'll also unmute everybody so you can chat and talk. Okay, so first one, we have a bird, a flower, and a caterpillar. What is the first part of the food chain? Say it out loud. Good. Most of you said flower. Flower. Excellent job. What is the next one? What is the next one?
Caterpillar.
Great job, everybody. Caterpillar. The last one. Excellent job. Bird.
Too easy? Try the next chain.
See, the caterpillar goes to eat the flower, and then the bird goes to eat the caterpillar.
Number 2, bigger chain.
Okay, snake, mouse, hawk, acorns. What is the first one? Excellent job.
Acorns.
And the second one.
Mouse.
Great
Mouse.
job. The third one.
Snake.
Great job. And the last one. Good. Hawk.
Hawk. Finished? On to the next chain. Number 3, marine chain.
All right, let's see some marine animals. We have a big fish, a small fish, a dolphin, and algae.
Algae.
Good. And the second? Great job. Small fish.
Small fish.
The third one? Big
Big fish.
And the last one? Dolphin.
Dolphin.
Good
Got the marine
job.
chain. Next,